Hello, thanks for tuning in. Alright, today we wanted to show you how to replace a electric oven heating element. These things do go bad sometimes, and you'll come out to your oven, have it on, everything will power on like normal, but your oven will not get warm. So it's most likely the heating element right there that goes bad. They crack inside and they lose continuity around to each side. You can also pull them out and ohm them out and check them, but usually they're just broken. So most of the time they have two little screws in the back right there, that one and that one. They go inside the oven. You just take those out, whether it be a Phillips head or a flathead, and you're going to pull the heating element straight out. It's going to be connected to two wires. So let's pull this thing out and see what happens. Okay, and as you see, you take those screws out, and it has enough slack to pull out. And every oven's going to have a different configuration, but this is an electric. On a gas one, this wouldn't apply. It'd be a totally different setup, but these are for electric ranges. And you're going to have two wires kind of in the back there. When you pull it out and disconnect those wires, do not let them fall back into the hole, or you're going to have to pull the entire oven out and fish those wires out. It's not going to be fun. So go ahead and just disconnect those two little pigtails there and pull the heating element out. Okay, once you have the old heating element out, you're going to want to compare it to the new heating element. As you can see, the old one's there and the new one's in there. It is the exact same dimensions. So you're just going to go ahead and hook back up those two pigtails, put the two screws back in, turn it on and test it. Okay, once you have it in and the screws are secured back into the oven, don't over tighten them or you'll strip them. You're going to want to go ahead and turn the oven on to about 200 degrees because there's going to be some manufacturer oil, machining oil left on this heating element, and it will smoke and burn off. So make sure you have a vent on, open your windows. I'm going to go ahead and turn the oven on now, and we got it on 250. So we'll see if it starts to smoke here in a second, which I suspect it will. Alright, I just heard the element click. And lower the light so we can see if we see any of the smoke coming off. Alright, I can see it, but not sure if you guys can see it in the camera. It's definitely burning off and has a little bit of an oil odor when it first starts to burn off there. With the element, there you go, you see it's red hot now. And that is it. That is how to replace your electric oven element if you come out and your electric stove is no longer heating up. We hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.